I remember as a kid, I used to love fluffing under sandwiches. My brother and I would spread a thick layer of peanut butter on white bread and then top it with gobs of marshmallow cream. And you know what? After all these years, I still love them. So to share my ooey gooey nutty love for this combo, let me show you how easy it is to whip up a dessert that is based on these memories. The first thing we do is combine some peanut butter with sugar, a stick of butter that we melted, a bunch of eggs, vanilla, a good amount of flour, and a touch of salt. After giving this a good mix, we spread this into a baking dish and pop it in the oven. Once it comes out and it's still hot, we spoon on some marshmallow cream. After this cools, we'll top it with a simple peanut butter frosting that is so good, you could eat it by the spoonful. And when we cut this and take our first bite, get ready to do a happy dance. It's that good. Once you're done dancing, you may want to grab a glass of milk to wash it down with. To get the recipe for what we call peanut butter marshmallow cake, all you need to do is go to our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an ooey gooey memory making way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.